In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add personalization tokens to an email subject line in HubSpot. So if you're looking to make your emails more engaging and tailored for each recipient, you're definitely in the right place. Personalization tokens can really help you create a more customized experience, and in turn, could boost your open rates and engagement. Let's dive into how you can easily add these tokens in your email subject lines using HubSpot. First off, you'll want to log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, take a look at the left sidebar of your HubSpot dashboard. You'll see several options there. What you want to do is find and click on More, which is located on that sidebar. This will open up a few additional options for you. Now look for the Marketing section. This is where you'll find the tools you need to work with emails. Click on Marketing, and from there, you'll want to select Marketing Emails. This is where all your email magic happens, where you can create, edit, and manage your email campaigns. Once you're in the Marketing Emails section, you should see a list of your existing email campaigns. Find the email you want to add personalization tokens to. If you're working on a new email, you'll need to create it first, but for now, let's focus on editing an existing one. Click on the email you wish to personalize. With your email draft open, it's time to focus on the subject line. This is where the personalization tokens come into play. In the subject line field, you can insert your token of choice. HubSpot offers a variety of tokens, such as first name, last name, or company name. These tokens pull data directly from your contact list to personalize each email sent out. To add a token, place your cursor where you want the personalization to appear in the subject line. Then, look for the personalization option, which is typically represented by a token symbol or a menu you can click on. Once there, select the token you want to use from the list. For example, if you're personalizing with a first name, choose the first name token. After selecting your token, it will automatically be inserted into your subject line in the format of a placeholder, such as contact.first_name. This ensures that when the email is sent, the placeholder is replaced with the actual data from each recipient's profile. And there you have it. You've successfully added a personalization token to your email subject line. Don't forget to preview your email to see how it looks with the personalized data before hitting the send button. This extra step can make a big difference in how your emails are perceived and engaged with by your audience. Happy emailing, and I hope this helps you create more effective and personalized campaigns.